We all know and love the feeling of getting a new device. It's shiny and new and unbroken until it's not. Which is why, for a limited time, existing customers can sign up for Verizon Mobile Protect. Verizon Mobile Protect provides coverage for loss, theft, damage, including liquid damage, and post-warranty malfunctions. Plus, it includes battery replacement, and if you need a new phone altogether, you can get same-day replacement and setup. And if your phone needs a little cleaning inside and out because life gets messy, enjoy longer device life with deep cleanings and expert-led diagnostics to optimize speed, performance, and battery life. There's also unlimited cracked screen repair, and you can get your screen fixed for only $29 each time. But there's a lot more that goes into keeping your device healthy besides repairing a broken screen. Verizon Mobile Protect has an app for all your needs to keep your phone safe with access to 24/7 digital security, enhanced privacy tools, and expert tech support. Worried about online threats? There's an app for that. Download the Digital Secure app to safeguard your data, get alerts for suspicious activity, and connect with a team of security advisors. Tired of robocalls? Download Call Filter to screen incoming calls and say goodbye to spam. Need help with managing your support? There's an app for that too. Tech Coach can help you manage your plan benefits and file or track your existing claims. Plus, Tech Coach experts can give you personalized tech support and answer all your questions. It's safe to say that our devices are a critical part of our lives. And if you love your phone like you say you do, there's still time to enroll in Verizon Mobile Protect. Check out today's story to learn more. Until next time, you're up to speed.